Yesterday, Tesla dropped by 14%. Do we have a buy signal now? Yesterday, I gave you a video about sell signal. How about any buy signal today? Institutions start to buy now or not? Welcome to ymchannel. Today, I'm going to talk about Tesla, the strategy. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Now up by 5%. So do we need to buy back now? So the first thing, without my indicator, you can also check yourself here. You can see we have an upper channel here. And basically on Monday, 2nd of June, they have a candle to drop below the trend line. Okay. And since then, we never come back up. One thing. The second thing is yesterday we have a big drop, right? And where do they stop? Actually, we are right at the support, which is the gap here. You can see when we are above the gap will serve as a support. Okay, like this. This is a gap here. You can see here, there's a space. So basically, we are right above the support. So what is next? The first thing I want you to check is the candle here. Yesterday, we have a big red candle. And we are still under the lower half of this candle. It means, what does it mean? It means this is still weak. This is still weak, okay? The second thing, if you use my indicator, this is very exclusive indicator to tell you the trend. And basically, I want to show you this first, okay? So we look at the simple one first. The blue line is still going upward. It means the uptrend, we still have no problem. Okay, just short term, we have a problem from here. Basically, before the Elon Musk and Donald Trump's news, okay, before they have an argument. And basically, we have signal already to tell you this is the time for them to have some pullback, okay? And they drop more. They drop more here, okay? So basically, we have a sell signal, and they stop right at the support here with the purple line. The purple line is the super long-term trade. This can tell you the super long-term trend line as well, okay? They stop right at the purple line. You see this here? They stop right at that. So now we look at one thing. When we look at fund movement, we look at the YM chip entry. Do we have institution come in? This indicator is exclusive indicator to tell you where institution come in. So they come in this area, and this area. But do we have anything today? No, nothing, nothing. And we look at the YM big buy, we still red. This YM big buy, they track the big volume trade. Big volume trade. The red is net sell. The green is net buy. Above zero is strong market. Below zero is weak market. So we are still in the weak market and still selling more than buying, although they have the rebounds 5%. So you can see here, you can use this indicator to tell you what is going on with the real money. Where the big holder doing? What are they doing? They're buying or they selling? They're selling here. Okay. Another thing I wanted to check is YM chippers. You can see we have some green chips here. Green chips is the individual, they get locked. So it means some people buying on the top here. Okay, so this is the red is the institution holding, they're reducing a little bit. Another thing, so basically, do we have a buy sell signal? The sell signal already is from yesterday. We give you a video for the blue long-term investor. We have a sell signal yesterday. And do we have buy signal now? The answer is no, because the red line is still going downward. Okay, so we don't have any buy signal. There's nothing to buy. And the fund is still going down. It's still going down. So nothing to buy. Okay. We don't buy when the fund is going down. Otherwise, they can go down longer. Okay, another thing I want to check with you is S&P. I want to do a big comparison together with you to see who is stronger market. Okay. If you look at this, let me hide the indicator first. Let you look at this chart. Whose market is better? Whose chart is better with more strength? And you can see regular, So both are regular on the price range. So you can see who is stronger. When Tesla dropping from December to March, S&P 500 is not dropping until February. Okay, number one. Number two is right now, if we look at this area, who is stronger now? You can see. So S&P 500 basically creating a triple top here. And basically we have kind of like a double top and then drop below. I want to tell you something about Tesla. Tesla is a special stock and it is going in more advanced than more ahead than the S&P 500, more ahead. So before S&P 500 drop, they will drop first. So they will give you a sign, hey, what's going on with the index later? Okay, so far it's still this track. So far it's still the same. So right now we have a drop. So you need to be careful about the S&P 500. In one of my video last week, this week, I give you the warning about S&P 500 and Dow Jones. What is going on? They doing there. Okay, so if we look at S&P 500. If we look at here, you can see a bunch. So this is a strong resistance. You see the top, the top, the top, the top. It just doesn't get over the top. Why? Because the money is not strong enough. Because the money is not strong enough. If we look at YM Big Buy, look at here. The fund, the big volume trade going down, going down. The peak is going down. The stock is going up. This is a divergence. This is a divergence. You mean, and now it's going below zero. So be careful because this means the money is not catching up. And this means the big volume trader, they're leaving the market. Okay, so this is something you need to pay attention. And now look at the institutions, it's the same thing, but this could be one of the problem, this part. Okay, and when does it start to correct, or when does it start to pull back? When they drop below the red, they will start to make the pullback or correction. Okay, so far we don't have yellow here, we have yellow here, and then we go above the yellow already. So the yellow here from resistance to become a support. The highest price of the yellow. What is this yellow? This is YMOBOS. This is YM oversold, overbought. This is a very simple indicator to tell you the yellow is overbought. When the yellow disappear, the last yellow, they drop below, you sell. That's it. That's it. And the purple is opposite. The purple is oversold. When the purple disappear, the last purple, you go above it, you close above it, you buy. That's it. So you buy and you sell here. Okay, that is so simple. So right now we are waiting the next signal. What is when up below the red will be one of the sell signal. Okay, so far you need to be careful about the money. So if you don't have my indicator and you want to subscribe it, you can click the link in the description. And even you don't have the indicator, you can still see this area. So let me check this. You can still see this area. This is a bunch of top here. They are kind of like a mountain, okay? And it's like a ceiling. Once they hit the ceiling, they come back down. Once they hit the ceiling, they come back down. So I want you to be aware of this area. This is quite a strong resistance, okay? And we don't have much room to go now, okay? And here, you buy here. And our strategy is buy low, sell high. So we buy here. How? With my OBOS, okay, the purple candle, or when they go above the red and they go above the blue, this is also our buy signal. We have two buy signal. And here we have a short-term sell signal here. And do we have the blue signal to sell? Not yet. Not yet. And now the short-term signal, we don't have a sell signal also. But I make this video, I want to give you a bit alert. I know some people want to buy stock now. especially, oh, Tesla dropped by 14% yesterday, let's buy. No, you need to wait for the signal because sometimes news is catalyzed, but sometimes they have a planning to drop. They do have a planning to drop. Look at this. Do you really think this is caused by the news? Do you really think this happened before the news, or this happened before the news, right? The funding getting lower and lower and lower, and this happened here. Okay, sometimes news is just a catalyst, but it means to drop. It means to drop. Okay, so look at the fund here. This happening is not yesterday. Yesterday we have the news. This is like from Thursday last week. So 1 week ago, we have this kind of signal already to tell you, hey, and we have the yellow signal to tell you, hey, we have some warning. Hey, we have some warning. So now they drop below. Okay, so now we don't have any buy signal. Okay, hold your hand. Your left hand hold your right hand. Your right hand hold your left hand. Calm down. You don't need to buy right now. We buy when we see the fund movement go up. Once we see the fund movement go up and the trend go up, because we don't want to waste the time to wait the sideways. Okay, so I see you in the next video. See you. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. See you next time. Bye.